Hey guys, I wanted to do a quick video just to show you how you can sell your ebooks on Amazon. The first thing you're going to need to do is go to kdp.amazon.com. You need to sign up there, get an account. Once you've got an account, I've got an account, so I'm just going to sign in. It then comes to a dashboard like this. You would first need to just upload some of your details, but it's very easy. And then when you make your book, you want to make a Kindle ebook. So you click there. It wants me to log in. Can't remember my password. Right. So it takes you through step by step what you need to do. Book title, you just put in the book title. If it has a subtitle, put that in. You skip all of that, skip edition. You put your author name and surname. If you are not the only author, then you need to put here. This is optional, but if there's someone else that was part of the book. Description. So the description is what someone will see when they go onto Amazon and they want to buy your book. This is what they'll see as a description. So just write a short, like five line paragraph that says what your book's about. Publishing rights. I always say write that you own the copyright information. Keywords. Keywords are very important. So when someone searches for your book, these are some of the keywords that they are going to see, they're going to use. So if you're writing, for instance, a book about, if you're a pediatrician, you're writing a book for kids about how to raise your kids, put those in there. How to raise kids, toddlers, caring for toddlers, quick fix home remedies, all those things, you put it in there as the search terms or keywords. This will help people find your book. Set a category. Make sure you research this and find out what other books in your same niche, what category they are in. Age grading. Put, like, literally guys, this is all self-explanatory. If your book is not yet ready, you then click there. But most times by the time you get here, your book needs to be ready. Once you say next, it will take you through to what the content is. Now, to get the content, you would have written your book out in Microsoft Word, typed it up, and it's all neat and edited. Then Kindle accepts something called an EPUB, which is a form of a format like .doc or .exl or .pdf. This one's an EPUB. There's a free software which you'll get at this address, caliber-ebook.com. I'll put this link down at the bottom so you can click on that easy. This will download software that you can use to convert your book from Microsoft Word to an EPUB. The EPUB is a format that you will upload on here as the content. That's the first part. The second part is that your book needs to have a cover. The cover is, if someone goes onto Amazon, if we go into Amazon.com here, and when we get to Amazon and we're looking for a sales book, let's say sales, get it right. If we're looking for an ebook, this is the cover here. So the cover, you can go to Canva. I'm going to put a link for Canva, and in here you can create a cover. You search here, you just say ebook cover. You go on there. You need to go back here and check the dimensions for Amazon books, but that's really straightforward. And here it will give you templates that you can use. So as an example, if I check here and I say ebook, this will give me templates. No, here I'll click templates. See, it gives me a whole lot of ebooks here, so you can choose any that say free. You look here at the bottom, if it says free, you can just grab that one, grab it, and you can edit this. So if I want this to be red, for example, if I want to change this, if I want to delete that, all those things you can change on there. You can put that in here, whatever you want to do. Once you're done, you download it. Make sure you download it either PNG here, the format, or JPEG. Once you've downloaded that cover in here as well, you can put it in. And on here, once you've downloaded this and uploaded and edited, that's all done. You'll upload on here. Once you're done, you've put in your pricing and everything, your book will show up here. You see, now I did a sales journal. I publish books for other people as well. A couple of books that I've published on here. It'll come up here. Once it's on here, the best way you can help yourself to get sales is to click here where it says promote and advertise. It will then go to here. I've got some campaigns running here, 2 campaigns running, and you just set up a campaign where if someone clicks, for instance, the options would be, let's say, let's choose here, say Amazon.com, create ad campaign. On here, you'll have options of where you want the ad. So this normally works nicely on the lock screen where your advert will appear. Even this here, where if someone searches for a book similar to yours, this will come up here. So guys, really straightforward, easy. You have no reason not to make money publishing ebooks. Once you've mastered doing it for yourself, you can then do it for other people as well. When you do it for other people, you then can upload something called a gig onto Fiverr, like I've done. This is my profile here on Fiverr, and these are some of the gigs that I have on Fiverr where I help other people publish their own ebooks. Real easy, real simple. So if you've got any questions, please just put it in the comments and I'll do my best to answer as best as I can. These are the 3 gigs that I've got here. Yeah, guys, it's like there's really no reason for anyone not to make any money these days. So with Amazon, you can load a gig on Fiverr. You can publish people's books. You can publish your own books. Once you've got this that converts the book into an EPUB, you're winning. So you catch the person here, you publish their book. So you can even charge a gig where you just convert the book, you upload it for them, and you run advertising campaigns for them where you can charge them for campaigns. All of these you can load as gigs here on Fiverr. Please guys, if you are new to this channel, please press the subscribe button, press the like button if this added value to you, and share this video with as many people. Thanks and see you next time.